Oh my god, sis, look at this bob, it's flowing and it's still in place. Like, today's wig is from Afsister Wigs. They sent me a 13x6 bob wig that is so cute and it was so easy to install. They have like a double layer lace, which is cool. It makes it look like it's bleached, but it doesn't really seem like it is. And they also have an outline for you to cut off the lace, which it makes it easy. Hey y'all, I'm back with this amazing lace front wig. Like, look at this. This is how it looks straight out the packaging. You don't have to do a lot of work. Like, it's only bumped a little bit right here and it's completely straight, flowy. I didn't pluck the hairline for you guys because I want you to see how it's gonna look if you were to just purchase it first off, but I am gonna do a little bit more plucking. They did outline the hairline here, so it should be really easy to install. And it comes pre-plucked, customized, everything. So I didn't touch this wig at all. We're just gonna install it, see how this goes. First things first, I'm gonna take my wax butter and we are gonna hot comb this wig. We're gonna get this wig pretty flat so it's easier to install, and then I can see where it needs some more plucking. Now don't be alarmed, my hot comb is on its last leg. That's why it keeps turning. Now we're just gonna pluck it a little bit more. The front is completely plucked, but we need to get back here. So give me a moment, I'll be right back. Now we're just gonna install this wig. We're gonna use Got2b glue. If you can notice, I'm cutting the lace in zigzag motions. That helps to make the wig look more natural, especially when you aren't doing any baby hairs. So now I've been letting this wig sit for at least like an hour or two, and we're gonna see how this is looking and get this final look going. Okay. Let me just clean off this glue real quick. So this is how we're looking with this scarf off. So good. Now, we just gotta get this frontal laid a little bit more. I'm just gonna put a little bit more wax butter around the perimeter, and we're gonna go in with the hot comb. So we're gonna do no baby hairs today. This hair looks so good like this. I'm loving this hairline. It's bomb. There's a little hair. So I'm gonna do my makeup and put some makeup in this frontal so it matches my skin tone, and I will be back and I will do finishing touches on this wig. You just gotta get this little bump out, get it straight, and we'll be good to go. So give me a second. Look at this wig, sis. It's moving. Do you see her? Do you see her? She is moving and she's still in place while I'm moving around. So this is a perfect wig if you just got a bobble head, or you know, some people that just be talking like this, you know what I'm saying? And guess what? This wig is still in place, okay? No, but for real, on a more serious note, this wig is bomb. It came pre-customized, pre-bleached. It did come pre-plucked like you guys seen in the beginning, but I plucked it a little bit more. We want to make this wig melt. Like, look at this frontal, okay? This looks just like scalp. This is scalp. I don't know what you're talking about. I ain't put no wig on, y'all. I ain't watch nothing. I just came out the house like this. I wish it would save me a lot of time. But this hair is so soft. Oh my gosh. Let me show you guys the back too. Like, this cut is amazing. I didn't have to cut this wig at all. This length is right. It's a little bit shorter in the back and it comes a little bit long, but it's like not anything too dramatic, you know. It's like a nice even bob. Like, this is how you want your bob, for real. So also when it comes to shedding, you know, this is not shedding. Like, you can look at this hair and see it's not shedding, nothing's coming out, no tangling. We're just good. Like, for real, you could literally like do this wig in, I would say, 30 minutes top, okay? Because you don't have to really glue this down at all. Like, this could be the perfect wig for a glueless install, trust me, okay? So I want to thank Afsister for sending me this wig, and you guys for watching. You know I love you guys. Y'all so sweet. Y'all my girls, okay? Make sure you guys leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about this hair. And make sure you subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Hit that button. And until my next video,